In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use Google Wallet on your Fitbit Versa 4 to make payments efficiently and securely. Let's dive right in so you can start enjoying the convenience of contactless payments directly from your wrist. First up, grab your smartphone and open the Fitbit app. It's available for both iOS and Android, so regardless of what device you're using, you'll be able to follow along. Once the app is open, navigate to the Wallet section. It might take a bit of scrolling or some familiarity with the app layout to find it, but once you do, tap it to enter. Now, the Wallet section is where the magic begins. We need to add a payment card, so to tap the option to add a card. Your phone will guide you through the necessary steps to add your preferred payment card to Google Wallet. This process usually involves entering your card details or capturing them with your phone's camera, so have your card handy. During this step, rest assured that all your information is encrypted and secure, but it's always wise to double-check and make sure you're in a safe environment when doing this. With your card now added to Google Wallet, it's time to shift our attention to the Fitbit Versa 4. This smartwatch not only tracks your fitness, but also makes payments on the go seamless. To use Google Wallet on your Fitbit Versa 4, we need to show you how to access it. On your watch, press the button on the side to wake the screen, then swipe until you find the Google Wallet app. It's usually represented by a wallet icon, making it easily recognizable. Now that you know how to access it, let's learn how to select the card you want to use. Within the Google Wallet interface on your Versa 4, you'll see all the cards you've added. Scroll through these until you find the one you wish to use for your transaction. Simply tap on your chosen card and you're all set to make a payment. Making a payment is straightforward and convenient. When you're ready to pay, access Google Wallet again and select your desired card as we just practiced. Then, simply move your wrist close to the payment terminal, making sure your watch face is near the contactless symbol on the terminal. Wait for the confirmation vibration or sound from your watch, indicating that the payment has been accepted. Enjoy the swift transaction without needing cash or even your phone. Before we wrap this up, let's touch on security. Using Google Wallet on your Fitbit is highly secure because it employs advanced encryption and tokenization methods to protect your data. Additionally, your Fitbit will require confirmation of your watch's security PIN when putting it back on after taking it off, offering an extra layer of protection. And there you have it. You're now ready to use Google Wallet on your Fitbit Versa 4. Thank you for watching and enjoy the convenience of paying with just a flick of your wrist.